Hi, my name is Grace Krittenbrink with the Okarche 4-H Club in Kingfisher County, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make sassy salsa. Gardening is one of my main project areas in 4-H, and during the summer I grow a lot of tomatoes, peppers, and onions in my family garden. This recipe that I'll be demonstrating is one of my family favorites. Ingredients needed are 1 tomato, and depending on your garden, you can have big tomato, Romans, or cherry popper tomato. The next ingredient is 1/4 onion, 2 or 3 leaves of cilantro, a half of a lime, and 1 tablespoon finely chopped jalapeno peppers, and a dash of salt. I have prepared and pre-measured most of my ingredients to save time. First, you add your tomatoes, onions, and your cilantro. Then you squeeze your lime juice. Add that to your glass bowl. Then you do your jalapeno. And you want to make sure it's finely chopped. And then if you're allergic to jalapenos, one of the ways that you can prevent from preventing allergic reaction, you can wear rubber gloves, which is what one of my family members has to do because she breaks out. Then you want to make sure. Then you want to add your salt, just a little dash. And then stir it all together. And then you can either serve immediately or cover and refrigerate. Salsa is loaded with vitamins A and C for healthy eyes and healthy skin. This salsa is also 1 serving of vegetables. If you're a young person, ages 9 to 18, and are interested in learning life skills through fun activities, contact your local extension office.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.